Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just after 4 p.m. here. What day is it? Friday? Yeah, it is Friday. What's this temple called?
Wat Rajaput.
Can you say that again?
Wat Rajaput.
Cut. So we'll just go for a walking tour in here. We'll cross the road and not get squashed. Just here, Phayao Thailand. สำหรับรายละเอียดแผนงานโครงการสามารถดูได้ในตีกองยุทธศาสตร์และงบประมาณกรมการบริหารส่วนจังหวัดพะเยาในวันเวลาราชการทางเว็บไซต์ Is this the one we came to? Is this the one that has the really big Buddha?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought it was. Okay. Yeah, we'll just go for a bit of a stroll. I think the doors are locked on this one. You know, you got the no smoking signs there, which is good. Keep the air clean. Pretty cool carvings actually on there. We won't walk any further because they're locked. Got some padlocks over there. Yeah, this here will just be a short one. But, do a bit of stepping there. Yeah, I like the architecture and the carvings on them. Really good. You know, beautiful skyline. It's about 32 degrees at the moment. Oh yeah, we've got some monks over there. Sawadee-kap. Yeah, some monks are in a baht bus. Probably off to go and do some merit or receive some donations. Good on them. Pretty cool, them. Yeah, could do with liquor paint over on that entrance there, but I really like that entrance. And these areas here are pretty cool. Come here, have a sit, have a drink. And there's a soy dog. I wonder if he'll let me pet him. No, actually, I won't actually. Hello, how are you? You okay, soy dog? You look like you've been beaten up. All right, we'll see you on the next episode. Uru for now. What's this one called?
ศาลหลักเมืองพะเยา
Okay. Do you know what that's called in English? No. Okay. So is this like a shrine or?
ศาล
A san?
หลักเมือง
Ah. So do people come here and pray?
มูดา
Okay.
Very muda. Not talk, play, not playing here. Not joking in here. Not talk bad.
Not talk bad. No. Okay, here we've got some elephants with some lilies. Don't see no frogs in there. Alright, we'll just get a shot from here and then we'll walk around. Yeah, the skyline's looking absolutely beautiful. Right, we'll walk this way and we'll get a shot there. Got some incense burning there for some offerings. You've got a little trapdoor down there. Gone past this one so many times, but haven't stopped to film it. Incense smells nice. More elephants, roses. I used to make roses when I was a young lad, grafting and budding. All right. Okay, we're just here at another temple, but we won't go in this one because I've got a lot of students here. We'll just walk on this side here. What's this temple called? Yeah, the girlfriend's not exactly sure what this one's called. But that's a school there, but we won't film in there, obviously. But is this a different temple than the one we went to last night? Yeah. Okay. So this one is like has like school students in it as well. Yeah. Okay. I like the architecture on that. Really nice. Actually, I like those white dragons. Reminds me of one out probably about 30 k's from here I went to. Okay, yep.
วัดศรีอุโมงค์ค
Chai. Yeah, it looks pretty cool actually. Looks like there's been some upkeep on this one, which is good. That elephant looks pretty real to me. How do you pronounce that? Pinnaprest School? Yeah. Okay, cool. I've been looking for fireworks for the last 4 weeks and I've just stumbled across them now. Really, really cheap. Get some firecrackers. Check out them, eh? Cherry bombs, I think. Dirt cheap, 5 baht. And just around the corner from a school. Just here on one of the back soys here in Phayao. Beautiful skyline there. Bit after 4. Here's a medical service van. Here's a pretty cool house. I like that. Just needs a lick of paint and should be right. Yeah, there's some modern houses mixed in with the old ones. Yeah, like some of the newer houses, you're looking at like 2 million baht upwards. But if you were going to buy one of them, you could buy, you know, a fair few acreage out in the country for the same price. But if you want to live in downtown, that's a good price. Some really nice buildings. Yeah, you see a lot of 4-wheel drives around here, heaps of bikes, heaps of these little ma and pa shops. Here's a drain. Actually, the drains out here work really well compared to patio. You know, I haven't seen any floods out here. I did see a flood in Chiang Rai. Oh, there's some graffiti there, but yeah, that's pretty cool. They use a lot of the wood around. A lot of the houses have shrines, but that house there is really nice. Actually, I like that little terrace house there. It's quite nice. You know, the streets will be getting a bit busier now. People finishing school, people finishing work.
Careful.
Buy yourself an electric scooter in there. Remember seeing them in patio for about 5k, pretty cheap. Got some monks over there, we won't film them. Yeah, I quite like these really old buildings. They add charm. Oh, while we're here, we'll just show some graffiti. Oh, actually, no, we won't. I've already done a film on that. You could make us. Yeah, okay.
You can do for me?
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm just going to go take some footage, so we'll edit some stuff.
Let's go. Where you go? Hello, hello.
สวัสดีครับ Here you can get some shoes. Actually, I saw this on the internet actually, and now you're seeing it on YouTube. Same time. Bit dark in here, but camera seems to be going alright.
Here, very old market.
How old is this one?
200 years old.
200 years old.
Yeah,
Oh. Yeah, you can get some thongs, shoes, bags. There's some white ones there too. Yeah. Oh, here we got some really genuine watches here. Pretty cool. Get yourself a wallet, more watches. Get yourself some hair clippers, some glasses. 200-year-old, eh? Oh yeah, you can get yourself a little boombox. How cool is that? Some more clothing, shoes. Actually, I have been to the front of this market a few weeks back, but I didn't actually venture inside here actually, because I didn't realise. Get some kids' clothing there, adult clothing. Some Chinese style stuff and Thai stuff. A lot of them are pretty similar, but really, really nice. Right, before COVID, was this market like full? Okay. Okay, cool. Get some gold.
Every day, but now people have come to course. So over course, you know?
Yep, Joe. Hello, puss. There's a pussy cat there. There's another gold shop. You can buy your T-Rex and gold, your loved one or your darling. Yeah, I went near here a few weeks ago. Actually, I did film here during the day, because this here in the mornings it's actually a market here, and you can buy some 300 baht Ninja Turtles over there. Can't go wrong. I'm talking of ninjas there. There's a kid there with a ninja sword, which we won't film. But yeah, get some street food there. Grab your eggs, the vegetables. You know, it's a really good way to eat, you know, healthy. You know, you could make some curtains there. Pretty cool. Actually, we'll walk up to the canal up there. Yeah, I really like downtown Phayao. It's really cool. Small but cool. Like I really love the lake. I go down there pretty much every day. shop. Yeah, you've got another school over there. Like, there's so many schools here at Phayao. Oh yeah, you've got a gym there. You can see me there. What we do is we'll just do a little film over here and then we'll wrap it up. Okay. Yeah, here's a canal. I've done a nighttime video here, but that's really cool. Are we going to head back home or?
Yeah.
Okay. May as well walk up that way, eh? Okay. Okay, all those short little films I've done, I'm just going to turn them into one actually. But here's downtown Phayao walking. We haven't walked the whole tour, we just had a bit of a walk. Yeah, the sun's quite bright. Yeah, apparently there's snakes in this river. I wouldn't be surprised. I've seen a few snakes out down here so far. Had a juvenile cobra slither past me. Alright, you can see the mountain in the distance there, in clouds. Looks really inviting. Certainly come check out Phayao. You never know, you might bump into me out here. I'm pretty hard to miss, covered in tattoos, and I'm a handsome man. Alright, we'll see you on the next episode. Uru for now. Yeah, just been doing a walking tour, and now I've just hired a motorcycle taxi. I filmed through here before on the bike, but thought I'd just do a bit more footage around, show some different angles. Yeah, there's a bike place there. You can have your tyres replaced for 2,100 baht. Pretty good, front and rear. I think that's a school there. Like, as I was saying in a previous vlog, so many schools out here. Yeah, these traffic lights are very interesting up here. But yeah, it'll just be a short little video anyway. Yeah, we'd be getting up to 5 o'clock now. There's a cool little terrace. A friend of ours owns a bar there. Yeah, we went in there, but we drank Coca-Cola. Some really nice homes and average ones. There's a temple up there I filmed. See banana trees everywhere. They're a new home there. I don't think them ones are worth 2 mil, but the ones I've shown in other vlogs, them ones are 2 million upwards. Actually, I went to a nice breakfast place this morning, but I left the mobile phone and the GoPro at home. But I did use the girlfriend's phone I'll see if I can upload that at some point. But what we'll do is we're going to wrap this up anyway.